This isn't soft. This is rocks.
I'm like Pablo, especially whenever I'm in Y. At any moment you can die, yo. That's all I. That's the town for you. Yeah. When you're down, everybody. When you up, they got them loaded pounds for you. 4 5.
Nice. No, yeah, for sure. Damn, I'm good. Or maybe I've been around looks too much.
Smiles turn to frowns on you. Couple rounds on you.
I wonder what the top speed is on this thing.
Let's find out.
Watch this shit die in the middle of the fucking road.
They charge this thing?
Huh?
They charge this thing?
I hope so. Riding around the parking lot.
Yeah.
We were so fucking hammered.
Were they golf carts?
Yeah, it was kind of like a golf cart. Yeah, it was like a security or maintenance cart.
All right.
So now these just don't fucking fly. They just don't mix, you know?
Yeah. Chef, what are your thoughts on this vehicle?
It's kind of weird. It's like I don't know how to drive all of a sudden.
Hey, it's quiet like a Tesla, though.
I feel like the dudes are fucking having a great fucking time.
We made it.
Let's try to reverse this thing.
Okay, we got the second rack here, but first, gotta represent Old Hickory.
This is awesome. Can't believe there's no rear view mirror.
That might be a deal breaker.
Driving a smart car, right? You know, Andy's got one of those.
Yeah, I saw it. Looks like a Ninja Turtle show.
Yeah.
holding on to dear life. We made it!
Where was this car? Here, right?
Yeah.
Free socks.
Instagram is lit. Y'all gonna be famous, what? Y'all finna get like so many friend requests now.